remind me every time.
I thought it won't be, just practice in the sense that's all.
It's also fine, but somebody those who miss at least a problem last minute, they can check note because it's your duty every day. Beginning of the class, you should check whether it's recorded or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You used to tell, no, I can able to hear your voice. Okay. So first question where I have stopped. First part I have given, no, consider the grammar given below and check whether and draw the parts tree for the given grammar. For the sentence, you write, I have missed the sentence. Draw the parts tree for the grammar for the given sentence. Here pilot likes flying planes using top down approach, bottom up approach. That is your first part of the second question. Second part of your second question is check whether the given sentence or not. And the third part of the second question, check whether the given sentence is ambiguous or not. If ambiguous, if so, justify why it is ambiguous. If not, leave it. Okay, that is your second question. Have you all copied the grammar? Now you copy the grammar here, which I have highlighted. Don't copy this table. This table is nowhere related. Only I want this grammar. If you attend the session, at least you can score some marks based on whatever parsing questions. Copied, students?
Yes, ma'am.
All, everyone? Without grammar, you can't do anything. Simply don't sit and don't waste your time. I'll call somebody. At least I'll ask you to, even if you don't know the answer, fine. I'll ask you to read the question. That you cannot escape. That I don't know the question or I don't know anything. Question at least you should know to copy. Okay. Second question. Third question. One more parse tree, different type I have. Wait. Take down this grammar. This grammar will take, yeah. Can you make a sentence for this grammar to construct a parse tree? Book, she, book. No. Flight includes okay, take down this grammar. Can anyone make out one sentence from this grammar? Proper sentence. I think we want one more prepositional phrase. Any sentence can you able to make out here?
I book flight, ma'am.
I book flight. Only 3 words, maximum 3 words, right? Flight includes meal. Any 4 words I can know, right? With I want one prepositional phrase also to make a 4-word sentence, right? Any 4 words? No, right? We can't make it, right? From to preposition I wanted. Then only I can make one prepositional phrase if I have. Okay. At the end you make preposition PP. PP gives from or TO2. So now I can make a sentence. Now can you make a sentence? I prefer to book Okay, you copy this. I'll say the sentence. Have you all copied this grammar?
No, ma'am.
No, you copy it down. I'll tell what are the extra grammars, extra rules you have to add, and I'll tell the sentence also. Whatever is there in the slide, first you copy, then I'll tell the extra rules. Then I'll give the sentence.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
what is the lexicon for preposition? PRE.
that's why. Have you all copied the existing one? What is shown in the whatever is shown in the slide? Can I give extra
Yes.
rules?
Yes.
If everyone copied, I can give the extra rules. Extra rules after proper noun, down you write PP gives. Not prepositional phrase, right? Preposition, P-R-E-P. Here we have prep, right? P-R-E-P. Prep, P-R-E-P. We have prep, right? Preposition. For preposition, we are using what? What is the symbol you are using for preposition? P or P-R-E-P? Can you look at the given rules and tell me for preposition?
PREP, ma'am. PREP, ma'am.
What is a very good. PREP. So you write after pronoun, you write one more rule. PREP implies from, 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 slash, that is, don't write war, slash, TO. TO2. And next you write determinant, DET. Next rule, two rules I am adding. DET, determinant, gives a letter A or the, the, this. Fine. So can you tell me what sentence I can make out of this using these rules, lexicon rules? Can you give me one sentence having maximum number of words?
Ma'am, for auxiliary, there is no lexicon, ma'am.
No, auxiliary, no lexicon. Leave it. It is not there.
Okay, ma'am.
So by default, you can able to make out that S gives auxiliary NP, VP will not work. Whether using that, yes, whether we can able to derive a sentence? Using that, yes. That second, yes, whether we can able to derive a sentence?
No, ma'am.
No. So that you should be able to know. If you want auxiliary, you can give, but there is no auxiliary. Assume that for auxiliary, there is nothing is given. Or auxiliary implies does. Yes, something you can write, but I have not given anything. Only this existing, whatever is on the slides, in extra two rules I have given. Prep implies from or to. Determinant implies the, this, something I told. So can you make a sentence? She booked the flight. Take that, the sentence given us. She booked the flight from, or you can write she preferred to book the flight. She prefer to book the flight from Houston to Norway. Sorry, NWA. She preferred to book the flights. She preferred to book the flight from Houston to NWA. So totally how many words are there? Can I?
10.
How many words? 10. So maximum I made a 10 words for this. Okay, I want that. I don't want 2-3 words. So for this, check, consider the given grammar and consider the given sentence. Draw a parse tree using top-down method at least. Draw all possible parse trees. Previous question, second question also you write, draw all possible. Then only you can check whether it is ambiguous or not. Draw all possible parse trees for this given grammar for the sentence which I have given using only top-down parsing. Third question. So can you start now? Is it fine? Questions all fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, then see, my request is I want step by step how you achieve the final parse tree. You have to go in order, and if it is not given X, then move to the next one. Like that, step by step you have to draw. If you are drawing only, see, by seeing this grammar, I can draw the parse tree immediately. I don't want that. Take the first yes. From that, how many parse trees you are giving? Second yes, third yes. In that NP, first NP you substitute. If you are not getting second NP, third NP, like that, steps, all the steps I wanted. If you are writing in your exams also, if you are writing only the final parse tree, marks will not be given. How I showed you yesterday steps, how to replace each one with the other one. So go step by step and arrive the tree. So the final leaf nodes will be dash. They may ask a question like this. The leaf nodes in a parse tree includes dash. The final leaf nodes of a tree includes dash.
Terminals.
Terminals, also called as words in the given sentence, also called as, we called as lexicons. Okay, like this questions will be asked in Viva. The root node of a tree has dash, only the start symbol. And they may ask start symbol will be present in the left hand side of the production rule or right hand side of a production rule. Start symbol will be there in the left hand side of the production rule or right hand side of the production rule. Always.
Left hands.
Left hand side. They may ask, you are telling that terminal, the leaf node is a terminal. Terminal will be present in which side of your production rule? Give an example.
Right, sir.
Right hand side. Give an example. You can give determinant implies the. So the is a word which is present in the given sentence. The boy saw the cat. So the is a word. So for that the rule is given determinant gives the. So the is a word which is present in left hand side, like that you have to give. Okay, start doing it. 3 questions, I'll ask one by one. Now, can I stop sharing so that I can come to the Teams and I can call each one of you to check what you are done? Have you all copied the questions, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'll stop sharing that. You can start doing it. After, if you are done with the first question bracket notation for both the things, anyone can post the answers. Others can check it. Then and there can take a screenshot and post it so that others can. When you're writing a bracket notation, at the end of the bracket only, the end of the bracket should have only the POS taggings. Inside the bracket will have only the words. Don't give your own notations. So I'll stop sharing this. Only half the
Ma'am,
class is there.
POS tagging can be done, I mean, while starting the bracket also, ma'am. While opening,
Opening
bracket.
the bracket, inside the bracket, POS tagging will not be there. Okay, open of the bracket, there only you have to write it. Inside the bracket, what will be there?
The word will be there.
Only the words will be there inside the bracket. Whenever you open the bracket, when you are ending the bracket, there you have to write yes or NP or PP like that. Understood, Vikash?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, yes. What people will do, no, they will open a bracket and inside they will write yes. And they will open a bracket inside they will write NP. That is not correct. That end of the bracket you have to write NP. The edge, the down edge. Likith, which question you are doing now? Have you completed the first bracket notation? Likith. Likit, are you here? If you are not answering, please leave the class. Don't simply switch on and don't simply attend for namesake. And after the class, they will message, I have a network issue. Don't do that. Can anyone post the answers in the chat window? If you completed the first question, who has completed the first question for both the trees?
Ma'am, I have
Monica.
an option.
Ah.
Post it, ma'am.
You posted, right? Okay.
No, I will post.
Others, you posted now. Others, please check that. Even she made a wrong or you made a mistake. We'll compare. See, whatever you have done, you can post confidently. Even if it is wrong, I am not scolding you. We can correct it. Nobody is ready to post or nobody is ready to answer.
Ma'am, actually I did, ma'am, but I did in
Scared
the
to
way
post,
what you said is wrong. I did in the way what you said is wrong.
See, that's why I told now. If you are not done this directly when you're writing in an exam, you'll make a mistakes. At least now you are corrected, Vikash.
Yes, ma'am, I rectified it. I'm doing.
Now you check with Chandramoulika what she has sent. I am not getting where you are posted here. Here only you can directly post it, no?
Yes, ma'am, I'm posting just a minute.
Oh, still you are posting. Okay, I didn't get it. If I got, I can open and see. Varun, which one you are doing?
The last one.
Last question now. Second one of the first question or last question?
Actually, I didn't noted the first one, ma'am.
Start doing from the first one. Don't do all this.
Okay.
Since ma'am will be asking the first one, you have started with the last one so that she will not ask. Whatever I say, at least obey. Go with others. Start doing. Even if you make a mistake, we can compare it here. And at least you can learn the mistakes.
Okay.
For your sake only, I am telling. Yeah, I think she has posted. I think she has posted. Chandramoulika has posted. Please check with your answers if there is anything wrong, whether she had made a mistake or you had made a mistake, correct it. If it is not matching, we'll discuss. Vishnu, have you checked the answer with what she has posted?
Ma'am, I'm doing the second part, ma'am. I'll just finish and check.
You are taking so much time. Students, you should be very active in your exam. If you are taking so much time like this, you can't able to complete. I cannot give 1 hour for 1 hour paper. I cannot give 1 hour 15 minutes or something. They are telling 1 hour paper. Try to give 50 minutes. So that student should not turn this side or that side. They should have exact time for only for writing. Have a practice of doing it. Keep your calculators with you. And even I told for Viterbi algorithm and all, for each and every step you have to write the substitution part, then substitute the values, then multiply it, then write the answer. Simply you are writing the answers. What students will do, initially they will do substitution everything. When it comes to the third part, S1, 2, S1, 3 and all, simply they will write the answer. Each and every part carries marks. So from the beginning, you manage your timings accordingly. If you don't know some questions, leave some space, go to the next question. First you finish off whatever you know, then you come back for this remaining questions. Anyone has completed both?
Ma'am, what she did is right.
I can't able to see that. If I open, no, I can't able to see your names. That's why. Yeah. She has given a proper way. See the end of the bracket only. You have to write the. I can't able to see fully. Please check the total number of brackets. Okay, I can't able to see how many she has opened, she closed. But the way she has projected is correct. The end only we have to write all the things and inside the words only should be there in the inside the bracket. Yes, ends here. Vikash. Chandramoulika, you want to say something? Or
No, ma'am,
Vikash?
Room over there, that's what I wanted to say.
What pa?
Like if it is not visible, you can zoom over there. That's
No, no,
what
no, no. I am zooming, but it is blur.
No, ma'am, it's on the right side. I think you were clicking the wrong button. That's what
Okay, okay. Narasimha, you want to say something? Yashwant Narasimha. Unmuting and playing some music. Yashwant Narasimha, you are unmuted. Either mute or if you have any doubts, you ask me. Yashwant Narasimha, you want to say something? What a response. Okay, if you have completed the first question, start doing the second one. I will only mute. It's my duty to mute everyone. They simply unmute and they will go somewhere. Vikas, shall we check the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I got the same answers.
Okay, okay. Go to the second question. At least second question, I want everyone to finish and tell me whether it is ambiguous. Where how many parses you are getting? I have given only a simple grammar. That's why. Go in top down. If you have completed top down method, you please post the answer. First, you take top down, complete the parse tree and how many parse trees you are getting. Those number of parse trees you write it and post the answers. Then we'll go for bottom up. I think you can't able to finish within the given time. Pranati, which one you are doing?
Second one I have started, ma'am.
Top down now. Okay. Sahana is not here today.
No, ma'am, she attended that session.
Okay, that's where she used to ask. Chaturia, which one you are doing? Chaturia,
Yes, ma'am.
which one you are doing? Second question.
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing
Anyone,
one now.
either any one of you, if you have completed second question, partially only the first part top down parser, please upload the answers. We will check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Ma'am,
uh,
I'm doing the first one now.
okay, first one, if you don't know how to do it, at least look into the answer, what she has posted, understand it, then try to do by yourself the second part at least
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
first question.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I told to post the answers so that at least you can leave. He's leaving. Somebody is leaving. Somebody is joining. Lokesh.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Krishna
I'm doing the
Lokesh
third
and
one.
one
I'm doing
third one. Huh?
Third one.
Why second one?
Completed.
Second one completed, Lokesh.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
How many tree you got it?
I got top down.
No. How many total trees? How many different types of trees you got it for the same sentence using top-down approach?
The first one, I had just done the bracket notation.
Oh, first question only you have done. You have not started with the second one.
No, no, first for the two questions, I had done the bracket notation. Bracket notation.
First question, we have two trees. In that only first thing you have done. Second thing you are doing now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, do it. At least by the end of the session, I want you to know how many trees you can able to get it using top down. Nobody has completed.
Yes.
Somalingeshwar Reddy. Somalingeshwar Reddy. Manasa.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you are doing? Second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed top down.
No, ma'am, I'm still doing. I'm little slow today, so I'll upload.
Okay, okay, okay. Anyone have you completed top down out of 60, 70 students here? Only top down. I want how many trees you can able to generate. Anyone have you completed top down? And tell me how many trees you can able to generate for the given sentence for the given grammar.
2 trees, ma'am.
2 trees. Good. Who's that? Good. Okay. So it is ambiguous, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are the 2 trees? Can you post your answers, Krishna Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
So that others can verify. You have done step by step or only you have drawn the tree?
Step by step I have done, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So why? Because if you post only the trees, others will copy only the trees. In the exam, they will write only that. Step by step you are done, no? So you please post it. So you will be getting 2 trees. So the given sentence is ambiguous.
Yes, ma'am.
And this sentence is grammatical also. Because I can able to generate a sentence, a tree from the given grammar. Sentence is correct. Grammatically, it's correct based on the given grammar, and I can able to make 2 parties, and it is ambiguous also. I can make out whether the sentence is ambiguous or not. Others, once he posts, no, Krishna Pranav, once he posts the answers, you can check it whether you can able to get the same tree or not. Krishna Pranav uploaded.
I'm having bad internet, ma'am. It's taking some time.
Okay, anybody else has done? Vishnu or Vaishnavi or Manasa, Chandramaulika, I can able to see their names here in the window. Varun, Krishna Lokesh, anybody has done? Only top down, at least so that they will get an idea. You'll not get time to complete the bottom up, at least top down. So what he stated is correct. He can able to get 2 parties. What are the different parties you are getting? Vishnu, have you completed top down at least?
Ma'am, I made a mistake. I'm correcting it now.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, students, try to complete these problems. Okay, try to complete the problems. Okay, take your own interest, try to finish it off so that it will help you for your exams. Okay, sit for some time after your class. I think now it's time, only 2 more minutes left over. So after the today evening after 4:30, you can sit and work on finish off all this. And anyone, if you are completed, can share the answers in the group so that others can check it. If you have any doubts, you can call me or you can message me in Teams. Okay, is it fine? Can we leave now? Is it fine? Can we leave?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Those who are complete.
I'll just upload it right now.
You uploaded right now. See, he is uploading for top down. You can check it. Vishnu, after completing all the answers, you upload in the Teams, okay?
Okay.
Okay, anyone, not Vishnu or somebody should take a responsibility, otherwise nobody will upload it. And others finish it off, check the answers, and if you can't get the answers, if you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me or you can message me in Teams. Okay, I can clarify your doubts. Is that fine? Can we leave? Is that fine?